Hey guys, you know how I had this Echo PB251 handheld blower and this piece of junk mcculloch blower? Well, guess what? Today I went to Home Depot and got this Echo GT225 weed whacker. I just cut around my house and stuff and with it, and it's awesome. I love it. The air filter, spark plug, throttle, pull cord, muffler. It's way back there. Wait, like, I'll show you it here. That little bump thing right there. Throttle and on-off switch, and here's the blade thing where it turns and stuff. So I'm gonna set this over here, and we're gonna start all these engines up. So we're gonna start with the weed whacker. All right, here we go. What I'll do, bring this back here and go like this. That like that. Feels good. Maybe bring it a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, here we go. Choke on. Prime 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then pull cord. Oh, it's up to the thing on. My bad. Let's try that again. Here we go, guys. It's an awesome weed whacker and stuff. I love it. So. Today is April 9th, I think, 2010, and it is very cold out, and I've only used it once, and this is the first time I've seen this thing smoke. Alright, it should start on the first pull now, so let's try it out. The reason why it wouldn't start before was because I didn't have the on switch on, so that was my bad. Alright, let's see if it starts in the first pull now. It's even hot. It's warm. It's not hot, but let's see. There we go. Now, with the echo. Let's try the echo now. This one here. Like that. Possibly. I'll move it closer. That. That should be good. Alright. Let's try this. Switch on. Choke on. Alright, first time. Let's see if it starts. Alright, let it warm up a little bit. And guys, this is all my yard equipment. I have my Echo GT225, my BB251, my GT225 weed whacker, my Echo BB251 handheld blower, and my mcculloch. I don't know what model it is, but that's about it. So, yeah, I just been running. We can just run for a little bit, let it warm up and stuff. Now I'll go to home and use my weed whacker and my leaf blower, my Echo. Alright, here we go. Rev up a little bit. That's one. Now, this one. This piece of junk. They don't sell these in stores, but I would say never buy them, but they don't sell them in stores anymore, so if they do, don't buy them. Just buy an Echo. I didn't even let that one warm up. Alright, now I'll run both of my Echoes. Alright? At the same time, so you can let it, so you can hear them run. Alright? Here we go. I guess it makes a pretty cool sound when you do it, but I don't know. Let's try it out. I'll still do this. Yeah. This. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, guys, there you go. This is a close start of all my yard equipment. Alright, take it easy, guys.